It is a dream of every youth out there that has studied photojournalism, or let me say journalism at large, to find themselves working at the office of the president or the office of the deputy president in the country or any ministers at that. Now, this is a dream come true for one Nyamasage who goes by the name of Susan Nyamasege, and she is the official photographer of Mr. Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Susan Nyamasege, a professional photographer who has been capturing the moments of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Today, we look at her life from our perception to working as the photographer to the Deputy President. She recently made a statement on our official social media platform that has resonated with netizens. Nyamasege proudly shared, "I get my money through this job," indicating a passion and dedication to her craft in documenting the Deputy President's activity. Known for her commitment to her role, Nyamasege is often seen alongside Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, ensuring that she captures the best possible photos of him. She goes to great lengths to achieve this, sometimes positioning herself on the top of cars to capture unique angles and perspectives of the Deputy President. Nyamasege's dedication to her work has garnered attention, with the statement about her passion for photography being highlighted by different digital platforms in the country on their official media pages. Additionally, Nyamasege has been spotted collaborating with President William Ruto's team of photographers during events where both the president and his deputy, Rigathi Gachagua, are in attendance, along with other top government officials. Having studied journalism at Mount Kenya University Thika campus, Nyamasege brings a wealth of expertise and skills to her role as a photographer. She is an integral part of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua'S team of photographers and media team, contributing to the documentation of his public engagement and activities. Nyamasege's dedication to her craft serves as an inspiration to aspiring photographers and showcases the importance of passion and commitment in pursuing one's career goals. A contribution plays a vital role in capturing and preserving the moments that shape the narrative of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua'S leadership. Now, today, we had to do this to inspire somebody out there who is looking forward to start a career in photojournalism or maybe journalism at large. You know, you might be the next photographer to the Deputy President, nor the President, nor the Prime Minister or the Minister at large, or an MP or a governor in this country. Because, you know, people who have studied these courses are told that there are no jobs for you. But do you, and jobs will come visiting. For now, that's what's up. What do you think about this girl by the name of Susan? She is a beauty, by the way. For now, that's what's up. Make sure una subscribe. Dania FM Show KE.